Alright, so today we're going to bottle the beer. So we've got everything sterilized and we've checked the beer, the percentage of sugar in there, and we think it's ready to go. It's been a couple days after the Wednesday that it was supposed to be done, and we're allowed a little bit of wiggle room there, so it definitely should be good to go. So right now we're going to put some dextrose sugar into this bowl, add some hot water, and then we're going to rack the beer and then mix the sugar in with the beer, and then we'll head on to the bottling. Alright, so we finished bottling. We have 42 bottles of beer in total. It took about 3 hours. Most of it was honestly just cleaning stuff. But yeah, so there it is. We estimate that it's going to be about 7% alcohol, which is pretty strong for beer. But we'll report back later tonight with the taste test.